Technodrome Armcana. Today I'm going to show you how to convert an AC-DC adapter to an AC-AC adapter. There's a couple reasons why you would want to do this. I'm doing it for walkie-talkie chargers, but I'm sure there's other devices that work with AC that you want to make a new adapter, or the adapter broke or whatever. Okay, so what you're going to need is a soldering machine, soldering pump, adapter, flux would be helpful, and a screwdriver to open your adapter. Now let me make a very important note about these chargers and opening them. Usually they'll make weird screws like this. As you can see, like this is like a triangle, and so here's another adapter, and you can see it's like a double prong that opens with this, and I don't have the triangle one, so you can just use a flat screwdriver and right size, and can open the triangle one. So I'm just gonna open it with that. But to open the double prong, you can't really substitute anything else, so you have to use a double prong one. But some of these, as you can see, can substitute with other screwdrivers and they fit. As you can see, it's a bit hard to open, but because it's not fitting right starting out as I do it, so. Okay, now once you've opened it, you are going to see a transformer, the main transformer, and a little circuit board after that. Now, as you can see, this circuit board consists of one bridge diode, a little resistance, LED, and a cap. So what we are going to want to do is now, because the electricity exits out of the circuit board, instead of making it exit out of the circuit board, we're just going to make it exit out of directly the transformer. Okay, so what we're going to do is now, let me just take the connector off here, make our thing much easier. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is get it from here and put it to here. Okay, so first let's take off the wires. So get your soldering pump. Just get the solder away to take out the wire. Now just take out the wire, just pull it a bit. It doesn't matter now. Let me tell you something a bit important. Some people will get confused, like, okay, now which one's plus, which one's minus? With AC, there's no plus or minus. So just for you that don't know, you can just connect it any random way. You can see this connection needs a bit more solder. Okay, now that's it. That you made a AC-DC into a AC-AC. Okay, so now just put it back together. And if you took these wires out, just put them back in. Don't forget that. For that, you may need the little pliers because your fingers can't get in there. Maybe some are different, I don't know. Now, just place transformer back in its place. Get your circuit board and open up the wire a bit so it can fit around the LED. There we go. And put it back on the top. A bit thicker screwdriver because it's kind of as you can see, the soldering, the electronic part was the easiest, but the hard part is actually screwing it back because these, safety screws or whatever they want to name them is, I don't have the screw for it, so it's kind of taking long. I don't know why they even make screws like this. Why don't they just make everything a standard screw and that's it? Okay, now you have made a AC/DC adapter to a AC/AC. So thank you for watching. Please leave comments and subscribe if you can. Thank you for watching.